What up guys, how you guys doing? I'm Talis and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're going to be checking out a really nice Eastern decoration. So let's go to the video. So this is the bunny offering treats model. As you can see, this is a really nice multi-part model, and in this video we're going to be checking out the best print settings to print it. So as you can see right here, this model's got lots of parts, so you can be printing different colors to get a really nice end result on a monocolor printer. So let's go to the print settings. So first off, right here in layer height, we're going to be printing with a 0.2 millimeter layer height. This way we're going to get a good balance between time of print and quality. As for vertical shells, we're going to be leaving at 3. This way we're going to get a really rigid model. As for infill, right here we're going to be increasing to 10% infill density with a gyroid infill pattern. As you can see right here, for top infill pattern, we're going to be selecting concentric. This way it's going to print in circles so we can get a better topmost surface pattern, which is going to help a lot in our model. Concentric or spiral, which it prints in circles, which is going to help a lot with our model right here, especially this inside part and the topmost surface layer. So this is going to help a lot. So let's slice to see if concentric or octagram spiral is the best. So as you can see, we have sliced and this is the spiral. As you can see right here, it gives a nice effect. Let's take a look at the concentric, which I think is gonna look nicer because this spiral, it's not really a spiral. It's not circular like the concentric. I think this is going to take a little bit of extra time on our print. Feel free to choose what you may like best, but I don't think this is the option that we're going to go for. So I have sliced with concentric, and as you can see right here, this is circular. I think this is a best top surface that we can print a really nice pattern. As you can see, it reduced kind of an hour using this pattern, so we're going to go with concentric. As right here, let's go over to skirt and brim. So we left that out with concentric. Right here on skirt and brim, as you can see right here, we're going to be adding, feel free to add brim to this model. As you can see, they do not have the best surface of contact to the build plate, which brim is going to help a lot, especially on these tall models and this small, really small parts. Brim can help. On this model, it does not need. We can add some brim later, which I'm going to be showing you. So let's leave it for afterwards. As for support material, this model doesn't need any support material because it is optimized for printing. As for speed, feel free to print with your standard print speed, especially for Bambu Lab printers. Printers vary, so the speed is going to vary. There's no right or wrong. I cannot say you need to print at 100 millimeters a second, but there's a recommendation. Always print slow. It's better to print slow one time than trying to print really fast and then failing multiple times. So print slow. Slow is the best. So let's slice this model right here. Then we're going to add this models right here with a little bit of a brim just to help. Brim is optional. So for this model, brim is optional. You can print without, but it's better to add some brim and to always clean your build plates. Make sure that your printer is really well leveled. And third, feel free to add external adhesions such as glue stick, which is going to help a lot the bed adhesion. So make sure you do that. So let's just slice this model right here. Let's see, we're not going to be able to fit them quite well, so we're going to slice afterwards. So as you can see, we have sliced and it looks quite nice with the concentric topmost surface right here. As you can see, there is some really nice parts, so we do not need to use any support right here. If there's any inconsistencies, it's going to be on the top where no one's going to be able to see. But as this angle right here, your printer can print this overhang quite fine. So let's go back and slice all of these parts right here, this smaller parts. Just do not forget right here, what we're going to do is remove. So we do not need concentric. It can be the monotonic, which is the default. And we can add brim to all of the models. This model right here isn't too crucial, neither this and this model because they're not too tall. But this one's, if you tend to have your models unstick from the build plate, I do recommend a lot. So it's better to be safe than sorry, so we're going to be adding a 5 to 4 millimeter brim on all of these models. So we can just go over to brim width and select a 4 millimeter brim. So let's slice this part. So as you can see right here, we have sliced and it added some brim, which is gonna help a lot with this really small parts, these nails right here. As you can see, they have a really low surface of contact to the build plate. Add some glue stick if you may like. So now we are ready to print all of these models, print in a different color to get a really nice end result. And enjoy. So the model is ready to print. Make sure to check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLFlix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.